These wound closures were sent to me as a sample. I have not needed them, thank goodness, but they give me an extra little bit of peace of mind to have in my first aid kit. They fit right in there. I can zip it right up with them in there. Let's refresh my memory on what's in here. You've got that sticky tab at the top. See, I haven't needed them. These are a first aid kit must have. Treat wounds immediately, stops bleeding in minutes, fast and easy to use. You would clean the wound area with the alcohol wipe, apply the wound closure strip, and then you pull the strips to secure the wound and trim the strips. So this is great to have if you're traveling, just in case you need it too. It has each size here because you might have a bigger or a smaller wound, some directions, and you've got a bunch of alcohol wipes to clean a wound. That's what they look like. Nice and sterilely wrapped. And yeah, there's your wound closure device instructions. So great to have. It makes me feel a little better that I have these, so if something happens, we can kind of fix it up until we can get to a doctor, especially if I'm traveling. These are in my travel kit and in my everyday first aid kit, so check them out for yourself.